and welcome to my channel, Kudoz Craze. So, today I'm going to speak a few lines on MARTYR'S Day or Shaheedi Diwas. MARTYR'S Day or Shaheedi Diwas in India is celebrated every year to pay tribute to our freedom fighters. Shaheedi Diwas is celebrated every year on 23rd March and 30th January in order to mark the remembrance of the death anniversary of Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev Thapar, Shivaram Rajguru and Mahatma Gandhi, respectively, in India. Shaheedi Diwas is the most saddest day in India's history of freedom struggle. Prayers and bhajans are sung and gatherings to commemorate and remember the martyrs. Martyrs' Day is observed annually on 30th January to mourn the assassination of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated in the evening of 30th January 1948 at Birla House, New Delhi. The Prime Minister and the President paid homage to the father of the nation at Rajghat in India, New Delhi. In 2020, for the first time, the CDS Chief of Defence Staff also paid homage to Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat. the Assam Rifles has constructed a war memorial for 357 martyrs at Mukokchung in Nagaland. People of India observe a 2-minute silence in the honor of Bapu, Mahatma Gandhi. On the Martyrs' Day, other freedom fighters are also honored and remembered. Many states declared January 30 as Dry Day to show their respect towards Mahatma Gandhi. Schools, educational institutions, social clubs organize speeches and meetings to highlight the contribution of our martyrs. So I hope Kudos you liked watching my video, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.